To demonstrate the DGN import and export features, we will imagine a rehabilitation project in Long Beach. This is purely fictional. But let's say the city acquired a piece of land next to the marina and organized an international design competition to revitalize the area. We designed a new shopping center and want to show it in the context of the surrounding buildings and streets before exporting it to DGN. We started a new drawing using the ANSI template. The units command allows us to verify or modify the system units. In this case, we need them to be in feet. We save the drawing as Long Beach Waterfront Mall. We import the 4 DGN files that we previously downloaded from the Cadastre of Los Angeles County. When doing so, we choose to insert them as blocks, as it is easier to manipulate them in that form. These DGN files use the imperial system, with feet as the drawing unit. Therefore, the scale factor comparing the imported drawing scale and the host drawing is 1, indicating that there is no difference. We define the insertion coordinates to be 0, 0, 0. This way, the 4 DGN files will align perfectly with each other. With Zoom Extend, we can see the inserted drawing. We take this opportunity to highlight that the Import DGN command is also found under the Insert tab of the ribbon. The insertion of DGN files must be done one by one, so we repeat these steps for the rest of the files, always using the same insertion point. It can also be executed directly by typing the Import DGN command. We zoom in on the area where we are going to work. We explode the block that includes the specific area purchased by the city. We quickly recondition the area, leveraging the Power Trim command. Now we insert the shopping center as an external reference. Although the project was designed in meters, Aries Commander automatically performs the unit conversion. The interoperability between formats and units is complete. Now, we are going to export the DWG drawing to the DGN format using the DGN export command. The dialog box offers us several options, including a button that allows us to choose where the DGN file will be saved. We can also see that the DGN export dialog enables us to bind the external references, which is required in our case. The DGN format is slightly different from the DWG format used in Aries Commander or AutoCAD. To deal with these differences, we find 4 tabs in the dialog that allow us to fine-tune the conversion if needed. We can see the comparison between layers of one format and the other, as well as what will happen with line styles, line weight, and colors, although this one does not apply in our case. While we could click OK and generate the DGN file right now, let's first take a moment to look at another option. This button brings up the DGN Mapping Setups Manager dialog box, where we can define conversion rules between elements that may exist in the DWG when converted to the DGN, such as layer names. For example, we can create a rule where the typical 0 layer of the DWG format appears under the name Auxiliary when the DGN is created. Upon closing this box, we return to the main box, where we search for the rule we have created, then apply it with a double click. Now observe that the preview shows us what will happen with the 0 layer of the DWG when it is converted to DGN. The DGN file has been created. Now let's take a moment to remind you of the features available in the Maps tab of the ribbon. Using these features, we have searched for the exact location and are able to display our project with a satellite image of the area. The new version improves the speed of the maps when zooming in or navigating with the mouse wheel. To learn more about the maps functions of Ares Commander, you can watch previous videos that we have created on this topic.